Don't worry if your bow looks like this. Here we go. We're gonna make one loop and then we're just gonna squish it. That's it, just squish it. So you got a little bit of a tail on this side and you got the rest of the ribbon over here, you see? Then once you squish, you're gonna turn it over because we want the underside to show, so when we fold it up, the pretty side shows. And you're just gonna fold it up. You're done, that's it. We're gonna squish it again, and that's your other tail. So you've got two tails, did I make it? Yeah, little one. And two loops. You see it's not pretty yet, but that's okay. Give yourself as much of a tail that you want. I like a little bit longer one because I want to play with it. So we'll cut the fishtail later, throw it on the floor, leave a little bit of a tail, squish it, put it down there, turn it over and make a loop. There you go, we're done. That's it. So you got 3 loops, 3 tails, and this big one, right? Drop it on the floor, leave a tail, and then we're gonna start here. We're gonna put that down, grab it with our fingers. You're gonna twist it so that the pretty side shows, and I'm gonna make 4 loops. You can put as many as you want, 3, 2, whatever. I'm just doing 4, because we're gonna keep it all the same. So there's 2, twist, flip it over, twist, flip it over, and leave a tail. So now you've got all of this. So keep it kind of long until you're sure. So you just cut all the ones you didn't fishtail real quick. Did I fishtail those? I didn't fishtail the little ones. Okay, so we're gonna angle these just to make them a little more pretty. And then we're gonna, let me show you how it looks. Cute, huh? It's not cute. Don't worry if your bow looks like this, because that's what you have to fluff. Fluffing is like the whole thing. So what I thought I would do for this design was put one at the top, like I said, and one at the bottom, surround like that. And I squeeze it real tight. And then I do it one more time. And then I kind of push it in. Now from there, you're gonna adjust. You're gonna fluff. And if you find that you have branches in the way, just move them. You're gonna open up these loops. You're gonna turn the tails so that you see the pretty side. And this takes me a little minute because I'm a little OCD and because it takes a little bit of time. Now I'm not gonna do it like perfectly this time because I don't want you guys to sit here and, you know, watch me do this over and over and over. So I'm gonna do it kind of quick, but I wanna give you the important parts of it. So you're gonna make sure all your little loops are straight and puffed and however you want them. You're gonna get that done. You're gonna take the longer pieces, kind of let them come out. And then what I wanna point out is once you get these loops fluffed out the way you want, don't worry about holes. Come over here and just don't leave that like that. Kind of angle one up, one down. You're trying to make it look elegant. You're trying to make it look like, you know, it fell into perfection. So you're just perfecting it. So kind of take the ends, flip them up like that, move this around. Now, if I was at home doing this, I probably would spend another minute or 2. But like I say, you want just the gist.